just told me that Westfall is in the house tonight. Is that true? Thank you, gentlemen.
Where you at?
Raise your hands. Where you at? We got a whole bunch of people raising their hands. I don't know where they're at. I don't know where I'm at. We appreciate you guys coming out here. This is a big night. What? Oh, okay. Not Chad? Eric, Bobby, and Nate. Okay. Well, we thank you for coming out to help us give Lifted a proper send-off. They've been good friends of ours for a long time. And Jeff, to give them the send-off that is proper, I'm going to leave this one to you. Did someone just say Freebird? Because I can't hear shit coming out of these things, so. That's funny. You know what I want from you, Jeff. Make it happen. Make it sexy. Do it like Daddy likes it.
It all just goes away.